Hello friends, I'm Garima Arora Kannan, a social entrepreneur, motivational speaker and a corporate trainer. Create a better future by creating a strong support system around yourself. Share your vision with people around you and see if they can contribute in some way. Ask for help from your family members, relatives, teachers, friends or maybe colleagues. Don't ever hesitate in asking for help. Everyone loves helping actually. Asking is a very powerful tool. Remember, you always get in life what you have the courage to ask for. I'll repeat, you always get in life what you have the courage to ask for. So ask and build your support system which will help you to achieve everything you want. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and family and empower them. Please subscribe to this channel for regular updates.